corner where we tell you about all the commodity prices and get you a couple of strategies as well. The initial ticks on gold and silver are not looking good. In fact, both those commodities are down. And look at the way copper is moving. There's a big crack that we've seen there, down almost 1.8%. And so is the case with crude MCX. So across the board, you're seeing red on the commodity screen. Ravindra of Anand Rathi Commodities joins us now to tell us about that. Ravindra, morning. There's a bearish trend that you're seeing across commodities this morning. You have sell calls on most of them. Just take us through your sell on gold.
Morning, Sonia. I think gold is still in the bear grip because there is a strong expectation that the Fed might go with a rate hike. Today we have a special announcement by Fed, so we'll have to see what exactly is that announcement. But I think the overall trend in gold still remains bearish, and I see gold going down till 1,050, 1,040 on the COMEX. And from the intraday perspective, I think 25,000 to 24,880 is a good possibility. So any rallies in gold, I think, should be used as a selling opportunity for, say, 300 to 400 points down from here.
And crude?
Well, in crude, even after the rig counts going down in the last week, the data which showed on Friday, still we are seeing some selling pressure coming in crude because the overall supply glut pressure is still on, and I don't see a sustainable rally in crude oil prices until $42, $43 holds on the upside. So I think in crude also rallies should be sold, and on the downside we can see $38 to $37 in the short term. From the intraday perspective, there is a possibility of a fall of another 50 to 100 rupees. So I'm expecting crude to come down till 2740 levels.
And crude and copper as well? Is a sell?
Well, copper actually we have seen a good bout of selling in almost all base metals in the morning session on the LME, and as I'm continuously telling that there is no sustainable upside in base metals because of Chinese worries. So I think it is going to go further down, and copper initially I think 292 is a good possibility on the MCX, but overall on the LME I'm expecting it to come down to 4,100 to 150. So if we take that in MCX, it comes to around 280. So overall, I think 280, 278 is the target. But from the intraday perspective, I think 290 to 290 is very much on the cards.
All right, Ravindra, thanks so much for joining us. So those are a whole